Hi, Paddy Springford here from Tether. Today we've got a real treat for you. We're taking a look at installing the cutting-edge Airwits range. These devices are perfect for measuring environmental air quality, VOC, and particulate matter levels. They come in two types, IAQ, which is perfect for checking out VOC content and air quality, and PM, which is all about particulate matter measurement. Okay, before we jump in, let's check we've got everything. The backplate, the Airwits device, a Phillips No. 1 screwdriver, and the tweezers. These are all provided by the screwdriver and the tweezers. But first up, grab your phone and download the Tether app by scanning the QR code. Now, to get your Airwits devices going, use the tweezers to flick the small switch from off to on. A little heads up, we sometimes turn these on before shipping, so it might already be on. It always pays to double check. Once it's on, fire up the Tether app, choose the location where you'll install the device and scan the QR on the device. Boom, you're all set for installation. Next up, unclip the screw plate from the back of your device. Use 4 fingers and a firm grip. Slide it down like this. From here, we'll screw this onto the wall, and then slide the device back on. And there you go. Your Airwits devices are now successfully installed. Thanks for choosing Tether. Got any questions? Don't be shy. Reach out anytime.